Today I'm going to show you how to plant some lettuce. To start this video out, we are going to look at some of the supplies that will be used. So it is important when you are planting to have soil that doesn't have clumps in it. So I created this sifter to take the clumps out. One of the key elements in keeping moisture in your soil is having vermiculite in it in your potting mix. It is important when selecting your seeds that you choose the right seeds. You don't want to, say, get lettuce seed that's meant for summer and plant it in spring, and vice versa. Another important step in planting your seeds is filling your trays. You want to make sure that your trays aren't too full and that the soil isn't too compact in the trays when you're filling them up. So what I like to do is pile it in the middle and then push it around. Make sure all the holes are filled. What you see me doing here is placing holes in the dirt as a spot for the seeds. Now that the holes are doubled in the soil, we'll get our seed and start placing one seed per hole. Now lettuce seed has lots of seeds, so we may end up with more than we want. It's important when you're doing this to keep doing it the same way if you're looking to get fast at it. If you start it doing up and down versus side to side, you'll get quicker that way. So our next step is to cover the seeds. Get good even cover, that way they germinate well. Once the seeds are covered with new soil, then we're going to go ahead and soak the seeds in with some water. It's important to get the soil good and moist, or the seeds won't germinate properly. Once you've got your soil soaked, you want to place your seed trays under lights or outside in a greenhouse if that's what you have available. Also, if it's going to be too cold, you want soil mats to heat the soil up to keep the proper temperature for germination. You also want to ensure that they have enough light throughout the day, which would be 10 to 12 hours, to ensure a good amount of germination. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and like it, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and subscribe to my email list where I'll be putting out more of these on my newsletter. The link for that is below.